Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to enable grey listing from WHM. To enable grey listing, log in to WHM with root access. Select the email option from the navigation menu. Click on grey listing. By default, the grey listing will be disabled as the button is off. Click on off. It will switch to on, that will enable grey listing. Switching on grey listing will display options like configuration settings, trusted hosts, common mail providers, and reports. These options customize grey listing to filter emails, re-accept temporarily rejected emails, etc. We will see what you can do with these options. Configuration settings. These are the settings that determine the response or reaction time of grey listing. We recommend that you do not change the default settings. But if you want to change them, you should know what these settings are. Initial deferral period in minutes. Time for the mail server to defer an email from an unknown triplet. Resend acceptance period in minutes. Number of minutes the mail server takes to accept the email resent from unrecognized triplet. Record expiration time in minutes. The time a mail server takes to treat a resent email as coming from an unknown triplet. Allow or disallow bypass grey listing from hosts with valid SPF records. Trusted hosts. It is a list of IP addresses whose emails are important for you. Grey listing will never block or defer the emails from the IP addresses in the trusted hosts list. To add IP addresses in trusted hosts, enter the IP address of the host in the new trusted hosts text box. Although it is optional, you can also type a comment for the entry. Click on add. The IP address will then appear in the list. Common mail providers. It is a list of common mail providers that automatically updates. It is because the option automatically trust newly added mail providers is selected by default. The common mail providers are similar to trusted hosts as grey listing will not defer their emails. If you want to remove a common mail provider, uncheck the box in the trust column for the mail provider. Click on Save. Reports. The last tab, Reports, is a log of grey listing. It offers a concise summary of all the actions that grey listing has performed in a tabular form. That is all you need to know about grey listing and how to enable it with WHM. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.